When German hikers discovered a 5,300-year-old mummy frozen in the Alps in 1991, scientists were shocked to find him carrying medicinal mushrooms. This perfectly preserved Iceman named Ötzi knew something modern medicine is only beginning to rediscover. Mushrooms might be some of the most powerful natural medicine on Earth. Not the psychedelic kind, of course, but the incredible functional fungi that can change your health. Our mushroom-loving friend Ötzi was carrying birch polypore mushrooms with powerful anti-parasitic properties, thousands of years before wellness influencers started drinking mushroom coffee. Yep, humans have been using mushrooms medicinally since before recorded history. But science is finally catching up to ancient healing wisdom. By the way, be sure to drop us a comment on where you're watching from. We'd love to know. Not your average grocery store shrooms. When I say medicinal mushrooms, I'm not talking about those white button mushrooms you put on your pizza, although those do taste great. I'm talking about fungi like reishi, lion's mane, chaga, cordyceps, and shiitake that have been studied for their remarkable health-enhancing effects. Meet the mushroom all-stars. Let's take a look at some of the best fungal superstars. Number 1. Reishi. Often called the mushroom of immortality, reishi is impressive when it comes to our health. It supports immune function, reduces inflammation, and helps the body combat stress. With less stress comes improved sleep and deeper relaxation. It may also support the heart by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels while enhancing liver function. Some research even shows that reishi mushrooms can potentially fight cancer and abnormal cell growth. Reishi mushrooms offer a natural way to support overall well-being and longevity. Number 2. Lion's mane. If you'd like to remove brain fog and enhance cognitive function and mental clarity, then lion's mane is the mushroom for you. It's rich in compounds that stimulate nerve growth factor, which supports brain cell regeneration. This helps to improve memory, focus, depression, and overall brain health. So, if you're over 50 and can't remember where you left the car keys, take lion's mane. Beyond brain health, lion's mane can also help the body fight off infections, reduce chronic inflammation, and support better digestion. Number 3. Chaga. This fungi grows on birch trees and looks like a large chunk of burnt charcoal, but it's one of the best ways to strengthen your immune system. Chaga helps fight inflammation, protects cells from oxidative stress, and may even slow signs of aging. Some studies indicate chaga can aid in protecting your heart by lowering blood sugar and cholesterol. It has potential anti-cancer elements due to its high melanin and betulinic acid content, which may help inhibit tumor growth. Number 4. Cordyceps. This one is wild. Cordyceps is parasitic and grows on caterpillars in the high mountain regions of China. But don't worry, the supplements you buy are lab-grown. Anyway, athletes love this mushroom because it can increase athletic performance and oxygen utilization for improved endurance and reduced fatigue. This causes your energy, stamina, and overall vitality to dramatically increase. Cordyceps also supports lung health by increasing oxygen flow, which can benefit those with respiratory conditions like asthma. And like all the other fungi, they help the body manage stress while supporting immune function. Studies suggest that it can even enhance libido by increasing circulation. Athletes and romantics swear by cordyceps for a reason. Number 5. Shiitake. Shiitake mushrooms are not only delicious, but are rich in polysaccharides, beta-glucans, and antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system, reduce inflammation, and help keep your heart strong. They also promote gut health by supporting beneficial bacteria and providing a good source of fiber. Shiitake mushrooms are rich in B vitamins, which help increase energy too. How to use medicinal mushrooms. The latest craze and the easiest way to include mushrooms in your diet is to drink mushroom coffee. This was my gateway. Mushroom coffee gives you a smoother caffeine experience with less jitters. The earthy taste of mushrooms actually complements coffee surprisingly well. Liquid extracts, powders, capsules, tea, or broth are other ways to get your mushroom health fix. Of course, you can always enjoy cooked mushrooms in a variety of dishes for a healthy and scrumptious meal. The fungus among us, Future of Fungi. We're just scratching the surface of understanding the potential of medicinal mushrooms. Research is expanding rapidly on new and exciting ways to use fungi to support a healthy environment. Some scientists are investigating mushrooms for cleaning up and restoring the environment, as they can break down pollutants and plastics. Others are looking at their potential role in sustainable building materials and textiles. With growing interest in natural living and wellness, and more funding for research, I believe we'll continue to uncover more benefits from these amazing fungi. So, if you're looking to strengthen your immune system, support heart health, or improve cognitive function, medicinal mushrooms can be a simple yet effective step toward better health and well-being. Until next time, stay curious and maybe add a little mushroom magic to your life. Thanks for watching.